Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Today we'll study about the salivary glands that are associated with the alimentary canal. Associated with the alimentary canal are some glands that secrete digestive juice. These glands are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. The digestive juices convert complex substances into the simple ones. Following are the functions of the digestive glands. The salivary glands produce enzymes to break down starch into the small molecules. Saliva also helps to kill the harmful bacteria in the food. So these glands are basically present in our mouth. These are behind the tongue, in front of ears, and at the roof at the rooftop of the at the roof of the our buccal cavity, and these secrete saliva, and saliva is also secreted in the stomach, and in the whole alimentary canal. The tube-like structure is also moisturized by means of saliva. So the next one is the liver. As you know that liver is also associated, you can see in the picture, liver is also associated with the digestive system or alimentary canal with the help of a tube-like structure. So this is known as the duct. So this is also helping the digestion. The liver produces bile to break down fat into the small molecules, and the pancreas, and other organ that is associated with the digestive system, is a leaf-like structure that is known as pancreas. And here is also a duct that attach pancreas to the digestive system, and this duct is known as pancreatic duct. The pancreas secrete digestive enzymes to break down carbohydrates and proteins uh, into their smaller forms. The alimentary canal, along with the associated gland, is called a digestive system. So the whole canal with the glands is known as a digestive system. So it was the definition of digestive system. You just need to understand this topic because we can solve any of the short or long question, but it is important for the objective point of view. We will solve some objective blanks or MCQ from this portion, but when we solve the exercise, then we will do this. Now you just need to understand this topic. Allah Hafiz.